Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how can you integrate OpenAI app in your GeoChir. So first of all, go to your agency level and from the menu select for level up marketplace. Here are all the apps. Then search for ChatGPT. So for installing, click on install. It will show a pop-up. So if you want to install it on all the location, then you click on agency, and if you want to select on a specific location, then select the location from there. So in my case I will install it on all the locations, so I will click on it. After that, click on both checked and proceed, so it will install this app on all the locations. So for configure, I will select a switch a location. So in my case I will switch on this location. So here search for ChatGPT, and if the app is installed, that it's available there. So for configure it, can click on configure. So it asks for the API key. So for API key, create an account on platform.openai.com. After that, this type of interface open. Go to the dashboard. From dashboard, click on API key from this menu. So here are the API key that I will created before. So in your case you don't find any API key there. So for creating your API, click on this and apply the name of your API key and default project and create API key. So in that case the API key is generated. In my case I will create it. So it also demand for the number for creating the API key. So when the API key is created, it will show for one time. You can copy it and save it. So I will already save the API key and I will go there and paste it there. Uh, So I paste my API key there and click on submit. So ChatGPT is successfully configured in my level, my location. Thank you.